All right. So we are live both on YouTube and TikTok. Thank you, guys. Please let's keep tapping. Let's keep tapping. Let's keep tapping, guys. Let's tap. Let's tap. Let's tap. Let's tap. Let's tap. So if you want to join the YouTube, of course, you're gonna be seeing everything. The screen. You'll be seeing everything on the YouTube. So I'm sharing the screen of this on the YouTube directly. Please let's keep tapping. Let's keep tapping. Happy weekend to you guys. Happy weekend to you. Happy weekend to you. Happy weekend to you. Happy weekend to you. Let's get to 2K likes. So while we wait for that, let me go and drop this. Please let us tap and share this live stream. Okay. Let us share this live stream. Let me go post this one now. Please let's tap. Let's tap and share. So officially, like I said, we are now on YouTube. Okay, officially we are now on YouTube. Okay, officially. So let us give a clap for ourselves. All right, let me quickly post this one. Okay, let me post this straight on our both the VIP and DVN, are you there? You're there, YouTube. No problem. No problem. No problem. We're there together. Where is the VIP? Okay. Please let's tap. 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 I think the pair is V101S. Okay, V101S. V101S. 2K likes. Let's get to 2K likes on TikTok. 2K likes. V101S. 2K likes. 2K likes. Before we start. So I prefer the YouTube. Yeah. Shorts limits. Okay. Apply proper risk management. Weekend trade. Weekend signal. DVN, how is the sound there on the on YouTube? How is the sound? Is it very, very clear? Is it very, very clear? You can make comments on the okay, very clear. Of course, you can make your comments on the this thing now. On the YouTube, you can make your comment there. You're gonna see it. Okay. So let me forward this one. Okay. Okay, so it's been forwarded. Let me go set this thing. Just say two of you to that place. To that place. Guys, let's tap now. 2K likes. If you are not on 2K likes, we are not starting anything on TikTok. We are not starting anything on TikTok on 2K likes. Abba, you guys are not tapping now. You guys are not sharing. Two K likes, then we start. 2K likes, then we start. Two K likes, then we start. 2K likes, we start. Okay. Please, let's keep tapping and share this live stream. Let's tap and share this live stream. People on the YouTube, please let us tap and let us share the live stream as well. Let's share the live stream and let us keep tapping. Okay, they don't tap on this thing just once. Oh man, please let's tap. 2K likes, then we start. So we have a set limit on this. This guy is going to be giving us about 1 to 9.3. Okay. So I'm going to explain to you why I'm taking this trade actually. I'm going to explain why I'm taking this trade. Okay. Now, here I want you to see that there's an all right, so we are on 2K now. So now we can start, okay? So which is good. All right, so the reason why I'm taking this sell, all right, is just because let us go straight to our monthly. Let us pick it from monthly time frame. Okay, let's pick it from monthly time frame. Okay, please let's tap. As you can see, we have a high here. The market did what? Market give us a break to the upside. All right, it created another resistance level here, and market push all the way down right here. Okay, so if market actually keep dropping, because I expect market to come back to this guy, this area. Okay, this level. Okay, I want market to come back to this level as market is actually pushing down. Okay, so and the main area where I'll be looking forward to buy from is this level. Why? Because if you look at this level, we have what? Market push up like this. It created this inducement leg. Then we have this. So I want to see market take this guy out. To take this guy, to take it out. Then push all the way down right here and start pushing to the upside. So I'm looking forward to take my buy from this level. Okay, that is what I'm looking forward to take my buy from. Please, let's keep tapping. Let's keep tapping. Okay, so that's what I'm looking forward to buy from. So we're going for a sell. All right, at least for market to get to this zone, which is our monthly support area. Let us name it MS. That's our MS monthly support area. Okay, please, let's tap. So what do we do next? We go straight to weekly time frame. So on weekly time frame, we have a, let's zoom. As you can see, market is rejecting from this level, this resistance level that got broken to the upside. And market did what? It created this inducement leg, higher high. So market is using this guy at the moment to push to the upside. But do you think that is enough? No, I'm not seeing market doing that. I'm seeing market pushing lower. Look at this long wick that market gave us here. Look at this long wick here. Look at this long wick. If you go to your daily, you will realize the market is coming. It's likely to push lower. So on daily time frame, can you see this long push to the downside? It gives us this bearish and this bullish candle. Below this, our weekly support, which is a sign that market is likely to keep pushing lower. Okay, that is a sign that market is likely to what? To keep pushing lower. All right, so let's zoom. So if you look at this area, we have this our resistance level here, support that becomes a resistance level, which is our daily resistance. Let's zoom. Okay, this support that give us what? Daily resistance level right there. All right, we have this first rejection, this candle rejection, then this candle give us another what? Rejection, which is giving us a nice resistance level area right there. Is market giving us a CLT? Let's confirm. Okay, that's only CLT. Okay, so I want to see markets reject from this and push down. So how do we get this entry? Now, before we go too far, look at this rejection that took place here. This guy here is actually coming from a resistance level on weekly and is aligning with this guy ID right here. Okay, before we have what? Before we have the push by breaking this low. All right, so now by the time we go straight to our 4 hours, please let's start where I'm looking forward for this entry. All right, so 4 hours from this daily rejection, it created a resistance level up here with this nice rejection. After this rejection, it now creates another resistance level. So I want to see market do this, reject, and do what? And drop. That is what I want to see. Reject and do what? And drop. Okay. Please, people on the YouTube, please let's share, please. Let's keep sharing. All right. So that is why we have this this pending order. So this is a weekend trade. Hopefully, it should give us a nice push, or we have a SL, either TP or SL. Either TP or SL. Either TP or SL. So that's it. Please let's tap and share. So which pair do you want us to check? Which pair do you want us to check? Which pair do you want us to check? Babe, give me your phone. BTC. Okay, don't worry, we're gonna check BTC later. 50. I guess 50. Honorary 50.
Good afternoon, sir.
Hey, what's up? How you doing now?
I'm good, boss.
How far?
Boss, I do. I'm good, are you?
What's up now?
Now the thing we saw now, I'll tell you that time.
So how to know the lot size.
Yes.
And if you want to take trade normally, how do you use to do it?
If I want to take trade normally, I didn't buy. So from there, I dey take loss side and take profit. So like I said, I didn't show how they do for Meta 5. I sent to you, sir. But
No.
how they live now, the thing is giving me tough.
No,
so
wait.
I don't know.
I never understand. If you want to risk $10 on your account, how do you go about it? How do you get your lot size?
Yeah, sometimes if I want to risk like $10, like sometimes maybe like this loss side down, I will purposely know say okay, I want put like $10. So maybe I can feel shift this loss side. This one I put for you. I will shift and say okay, like $10 now be my loss. And this is what I'm targeting. Maybe I'm targeting like $30 or $50. This is what I'm targeting. So but for that daily now, the thing is not showing me like that. This is what I'm targeting. So for that daily now.
I think what will happen is you call me after the live stream.
Okay, sir.
So that I can check for you.
Okay, sir.
You understand?
Thank you. Yes, sir. Thank you so much.
All right, please let's keep going. All right, so let us check V75. Jared, give it to your mommy. Hold it very well now. V75 ordinary. Mommy, cake. Okay, is it V75 or what? Oh, wow. Hey, I greet everyone. No, I greet everyone. Alpha, can you see?
Boss, need to. Yeah, we can see you. Please let me check that visa. That V75 visa, I need it.
Is it ordinary V75 or with S?
Yes. Yeah, this ordinary V75.
Okay, all right, let's check together, guys.
Okay.
Oh yeah, I don't want you guys to disturb me. Let's go to 3-month time frame. Okay, so here we go. On our 3 months, okay, on our 3 months, we have a nice push to this low. You push up a bit. Now market drop again, dropping to this lower low. Okay, so now we have a bullish candle for the past 3 months. Now this candle was bullish, and at the moment is trying to push to the upside. So where do you think this guy is actually pushing to? Of course, we have this resistance level, support that becomes resistant here, which is our 3MR. That's our 3MR. Okay. Whew, man. Then we go straight to monthly time frame. Please, let's keep tapping. On monthly time frame, you can see that we have a kind of equal low right here. Market is giving us an equal low. Okay, and it's actually giving us a rejection from that support area, which is here, giving us this nice support. This guy is our MS. Okay, that is our MS. Okay, so let's zoom. So for market to break this high and this high, where is the nearest target? The nearest target for this guy is to get to this area. Simple. Is to come to this area, which is our MR. monthly resistance level, which is our monthly resistance level. So I want to see this guy keep pushing to the upside. That is what I want to see. Okay, so let us go straight to weekly. So on weekly time frame, right? This was the rejection that took place. This low here was the rejection. The market break this high for us. It break this high. Market break that high. Okay, giving us a change of character. So there's possibility that maybe market can still keep pushing to this high and drop, or it can drop anytime now, come back to this area, then buy it, because I'll be looking forward to buy from this level. I'll be looking forward to buy from this area. Okay, please let's stop. So let's zoom. Now on our weekly time frame, we have this high that market is breaking at the moment, which is our weekly resistance level. It's still a weekly resistance. So it's not yet. Hey, good morning, Jeremiah. It's not yet a support. Until this present candle closes, it's going to become what? Our weekly support. No, Jeremiah, I think it's not in Nigeria. I'm Nigeria, so we don't have to know now. Maybe it's just waking up. Now, what do we need to do? We need to follow this momentum. Look at this momentum right here. Look at the way market give us this bullish. It's a very strong buy. A very strong buy. For market to break like this, then I want to see more pressure to the what? To the upside. I want to see more pressure. So what do we need to do? We go to lower time frame, which is our daily. So our daily in Jamaica is 8. Okay, Jamaica is 8. All right. So this is daily, right? What do we have here? Please, let's stop. If you have any question on the YouTube, please let me know. So now we have what? A higher high, higher low, higher high to the upside. Market broke this resistance level. It's rejecting from here at the moment. Okay, so let us mark it. This guy, which is our what? Daily support. DS. Please, let's keep tapping. Okay, and I have this level here whereby market can still push back. Market can push all the way here. Use the breaker block that we have around there, which we are going to see likely on 4 hours, and do what? And push to the upside. Okay, and push to the upside. No, I'm asking, is it okay? So let's go to 4 hours now. Four hours, I go to click 1 hour. All right, so this is 4 hours time frame. Okay, this is 4 hours time frame. As you can see, this was the level. You see, this is the breaker block I'm talking about. So market can actually come all the way down here and start pushing from that point. This is 4S. Okay, and this is what? This is the inducement area that market created for that zone. That is the inducement area that market created. Okay, from here, market break this high, creating this high. So I want market to actually push all the way down to this level, then we buy. That is one. So we have what? You'll be looking forward to buy from this area. But if you are to follow the pressure, the volume that we have in the market, please let's start. If you go back to the daily, okay, to follow the volume on that weekly, okay, which is this look at this rejection now. This daily candle rejects, whereby this candle is going to close in the next less than 8 hours. Celebrity FS, I agree to. What do you have on BTC? After this one, we check BTC. So if this daily candle rejects here, then we will be doing our buy setup from that point. Okay, we will be doing our what? Our buy setup from this area. Okay, so we need to be patient with this setup. We need to be very, very patient. So after the daily candle closes, then we're going to come back. Are we clear? We're going to come back. All right. So
sorry, but let me check this 75 1S.
sorry, let us check BTC first.
Okay.
Let's check BTC first. People have been calling for that BTC, and the 75 1S, of course, we're going to check it now after this. BTC. Babe, this guy is disturbing me. Babe, he's disturbing me. Crypto. All right, so let us clear this chart. Let's clear this chart. Please, let's tap and share. Let's tap and share, please. Let's tap and share. People on the YouTube, how far? I hope you are seeing my screen. Is okay, right? Let's go to 3 months. Let's pick it from 3 months. Musti SLO. You're welcome, sir. It's slow. Why is it slow? Okay, slow, like that means you are checking the boat. If you are checking the boat, no, now one good day kind of faster. I think TikTok will be a bit faster. It's going to be a bit faster. So once you just focus on it, of course. So now this is 3-month time frame on BTC. All right, we have a higher high, higher low, higher high. The market is giving us this push to this level, reacting from this area. Okay, and we have this this guy here, which is our TDMS, but at the same time, let me quickly show you something on this time frame, on 12 months. Look at this 12 months, guys. I know some people will be like, what are they do for 12 months? Of course, you know, sometimes you just need to see what is likely to happen for the year. And since January, BTC has been dropping. This is January candle. From January to this moment. Okay, all this candle is 1 year. All right, and what can you confirm here? This is a nice CLT. That is a nice CLT. Okay, so where do you expect this guy to get to? At least it should get to this area. If market wants to keep buying, it should get to this support area, resistance that becomes our support. Do we understand? So now we know in our mind now that throughout this year, BTC might drop. Okay, throughout this year, BTC might what? Drop to this guy. So now let's go back to our 3 months. So you will see the zone I mark out. So which means my anticipation is for this BTC to push to this level, this breaker. Can you see the imbalance that we have here? And look at the liquidity here that market created. That is for market to push down to this guy. Okay, so we know that right now. And if you look at this, our support level here, you will realize that market did what? Market broke it to the downside. It broke it to the downside, which is our TDMR. Okay, we're going to mark it as our what? TDMR. So there's probability that market might start dropping from there. So now let's go to monthly now. Please, let's tap and share this live stream. So this is our monthly time frame. Okay, this is our monthly time frame. This is this leg I'm talking about. Okay, for this guy to be used, this area. And if you look at this structure, of course, from this other block, from this area, market give us what? A push, inducement, higher high. Now, market down here, you're supposed to see a push to the upside. That is what we're supposed to see. Okay, but following the fact that the yearly is telling us that market is likely to push down, and it's very, very true. Look at this breaker here. Look at this resistance. When market break it here, market has not come back to use it. He now created this inducement leg. This guy. Okay, so I'm still seeing BTC coming to this point. I'm still seeing it pushing. Okay, so now this our TDMR. We don't need it now. Let me take it out so that it won't confuse us. So the only thing that we need right now is we should take note of this level when we have this rejection. This is our monthly what? Our monthly resistance level, MR. So what I want to see is I want market to come to this resistance level and sell off. And sell off from that point. This is MR. Where is MR here? Okay. Okay. I want to see market push to this level and drop. All right. So that is what I want to see. Hey, Marine, what's up? So now let's go to weekly now. This is our weekly time frame. Okay. This is our weekly time frame. And where this guy is actually rejecting from, okay, it's not even getting to this our support level here. It's not getting there before market starts doing as if it wants to start pushing up. Now, there might be probability that market will still drop. That is from this point. Why? Because this level that was broken, this support here that was broken, it has been tested, rejected from that point. That is our weekly resistance level. Okay, if you zoom closely, you realize the market created another resistance level, giving us what? An inducement leg for that zone. Engineer that liquidity. So this is a weekly resistance level whereby I want this guy to get to in case. So now the bias is market might use this area to sell, and if you see BTC breaking above, take your buy to this point. Do you understand? Take your buy from that point to this resistance level, this guy here. Jesse, go inside, go and play. Return all these things, put it inside the bag, and go inside and go and play. Put all those things inside the bag. Babe, look at the way they are scattering all their colors. Babe, look at the way they are scattering all these things. So let's go to daily now. Now, look at the way market is pushing up. is pushing up massively. Pushing up massively. Okay, this is daily. All right, at least you have the room to keep buying to this level. This level. We have the room to take your buy to this level. So this guy is going to be the target. Do we understand? That is going to be the target. Okay, so let's go to 4 hours. So on 4 hours, market is rejecting from here at the moment. Look at it. Okay, you see the way market is rejecting from this point. You see the way it's rejecting from that point. But guess what? Market is likely to break it. A man of 4 for you. All right, so let's go back to that daily. Let me show you something on daily. You see on daily, it is just a liquidity here. This guy is just a liquidity leg. This is the zone. Even though if you want to sell, this target here is area where you can begin to look for what selling opportunity. Don't say you want to sell from where market is now at the moment. It's only reacting to that zone. If you go back to your 4 hours, I know some people will say, but smart money now. This is another block here now. Market push down, he give us this inducement leg, he push down, he do all these things, do all these they are crazy things. He now come here, so I should be selling from here, guy. That is going to be a setup, man. Okay, it's actually going to be a setup. Okay, so my advice for you is that allow the market to break above. Let a 4 hour candle close above. Do a little pullback, then do what? Take your buying position. Then buy from that point. Do you understand? That is my advice. Just buy. Let market break this guy. Let me name it. That is the 4 hour. That is 4 hour. Where is 4 hour here? Okay. That's 4 hours. So we expect market to do what? To keep buying from that point. Please, let's tap and share. All right. So that is that for BTC. Okay. So which one do you want us to check again?
Boss, so let me see that daily first. I beg. No, not weekly, daily.
Daily time frame. Daily. Here we go. This is the daily time frame.
Okay.
You see that?
Yeah, I don't see it. Thank you.
You should keep looking for more push to the upside.
Okay.
Please, let's stop. Okay, so which one again? V50 index.
Sorry, boss. B71S.
Okay.
Yes.
Go straight, click it. Okay, this I never get there. V75 1S.
Yeah.
Hanging. So let us analyze this. This guy is pushing, so I don't know.
I don't mean buy market for there. He take profit, but now for that daily, I want.
Eh?
For that daily, I don't buy market for that V71 and he take profit.
So why are you telling me to come here? There's no opportunity here at the moment now.
No, I just want to like. Well,
Let us check the one that we're going to see opportunity so that we can take trade.
okay, sir.
Market is pushing here already, so we can't say we want to jump in. Let's look for
Yes.
where we can get opportunity. You just want me to analyze so that you will know maybe you are correct or wrong, right?
Yes.
Yeah,
that is it.
can you analyze? We see how you do. I don't understand your question. Open YouTube. Yeah. So on the comment box, which one? V10. Please let's tap. Let's tap and share. Let me clear the chat. Let's go through 3 months. Who is that? So right here we have a bearish market. Okay, market is actually bearish for some months now. Market has been dropping back to back. Okay, so let us check the monthly time frame. Let's check the monthly time frame. Okay, so this is the monthly time frame here. We have a support with what? A rejection from the resistance level. No, not yet. Wow, this is ML. Okay, market, it did not get to this area. It did get to the resistance. So let us check the weekly. Let's check the weekly. Musti slow, please. Can you mute your mic, please? Musti. So you see, I know market is actually using the weekly support that become resistance here. That is what market is using. It's very nice. That is our MR, WR. Okay, so now all what we are looking for is we want to look for more drop. Okay, we want to look for more drop because before I was anticipating this guy to push to this level because this is the structure that we have from here. Market give us this lower low, lower high. All this area is what? Engineer liquidity. Okay, then it created another lower low. So I want market to take this guy out, come to this resistance and do what? And drop. Okay, and drop. So this is what I've been waiting for some weeks now. But market seems to be rejecting from this level. And imagine how many rejections that we have here. Just stop. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 rejections. 6 weeks was rejecting from this area. All right. So let us the recent resistance that market created was this. Okay, was this? It rejected from that point. So I'm not going to be using that. So the fresh zone, which is this, is what we are going to use now. And it's giving us a nice CRT. So my prayer is I wouldn't want this guy to do what? To carry this CRT to the downside. This is weekly resistance level. before it's going to push up. Okay, anywhere from here, it should just push up, give us a nice entry so that we can continue. So that we can what? Continue. So let us go straight to daily now. So on daily time frame, all right, on daily time frame, you see this area, this resistance area that becomes support. That was the zone I was hoping this guy is going to push back like this, then reject. That was what I was thinking. But now the market is not doing that, then of course we are going to be patient. We are going to be patient. Please, let's start. Let's start. Let's start. Let's start. Let's start. Let's start. Let's start and share. Let me zoom. Let me zoom. Let me zoom. Let me zoom. So now what I'm going to do on this trade is this simple. I'm going to be connecting my trend line from here to this point. To this point, which is our DT. Okay, so if market can actually push back to this area, I'm going to be taking a sell. So how do you say I'm going to be taking the sell? It's going to look like what? A head and shoulder. This is going to be the head. Okay, this is the shoulder. Then I'll be taking another zone around there from the shoulder for market to do what? Use that area and drop. Okay, that is what I'll be waiting for. So market is actually dropping at the moment. So where do you think market is going to reverse from? Nobody can tell. Maybe it's going to use this guy to reject, going to use this guy to reject, going to use this level to reject, or we don't know yet. But the only thing I can see here is we have this daily support with this rejection right here. We have a break to the upside. All right, market can actually use this support area and push to the upside. It can use this support area here and push to the upside. Do we understand? Please, let's start. Let's start. Let me plug this thing. Let's stop and share. Let's stop and share. Jared, stop that, please. Okay, good. Okay. So I think that is what I have here. I wouldn't want us to engage in because if I say, let me see the 4 hours first or 15 minutes. Let's see if there's a good setup. Okay, this 4 hours. Please, let's stop. If market can come back here, it's going to be good. This resistance level. If market can come back here so that we can do the continuation for the sell. So this is going to be the 4 hour. Okay, that is the 4 hour. So let's do 1 hour now. Kwapuala, I greet you, mama. So this is the 1 hour. Okay, look at the alignment with this guy. Can you see the alignment here? So what we have here is from this point, market create this low, inducement leg, okay, liquidity, the market breakdown. All right, so I want to see market keep pushing to the upside like this and do what? And drop. All right, so I'll be looking forward to sell this guy from this area if market can come there. I'm doing well, Caprala. I'm doing so well. Thank you. People on the YouTube, please let us share. Let us share. Let us share. Share the live stream. Share the live stream. Share the live stream. At least being the first time, at least. You know. More try share. More try share, please. And my people here on TikTok, please let us keep tapping and share this live stream as well. So which one are we checking? V50. All right, V50. V50. If you haven't followed me, make sure you follow me. Okay, so before we go ahead, quickly let me tell you what we do right here. So every day I go live, every day I stream. Okay, every day I stream from 9 a.m. Monday to Friday. I stream. Weekend, Saturday and Sunday is gonna be anytime. I will be updating you guys for the time on that very day. Okay, and what we do here is talk to ratio. We have a session of psychology challenges, being disciplined, and being how to stay consistent in the market. So we talk about all this. Live stream on YouTube and TikTok. We just added YouTube today. Okay, so both I'm streaming on both sides at the moment. So if you want to join our VIP, okay, our VIP is $20 to join, and if you want to join the maybe 2 weeks subscription is $10. All right, maybe you want to check what we do. Maybe we are actually doing rubbish. Maybe now rubbish we dey do. You can use your $10 to come and do your test run. Okay, but I don't think it actually makes sense. Two weeks. So if you want to join our free Telegram group, the link is on my bio. All right, please do well to join. The link is on my bio. Do well to join. All right. So that's that. Please let's keep tapping. Let's keep tapping. Let's keep tapping. So let's continue with this our V50. V50. BTC. Let me block you instantly. I don't know what you're doing here, bro. You can't come here and think you want to scam my people. Let's talk about V50. Okay, so let us go straight to 3 months. So now this is 3 month time frame. Okay, as you can see, market is what's bearish. We have a bullish candle in between here and dropped again. Now it's giving us another bullish candle right here. Okay, so let's go straight to monthly. You don't need to draw anything on that point. So now this is our monthly time frame. So from this monthly, there's probability the market can use any zone around here on lower time frame and push lower. Okay, because if you check this support here, market has used this level and what reject nicely. Okay, market reject nicely from that point. Please let's start. Sleeping already. So we have this rejection now. All right, so let us go straight to weekly. Now this is weekly. 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 Market give us this low. We have this lower high, higher low, higher high. We have a lower low. Market break below this guy. Okay, so there's probability the market might start pushing to the upside. Yeah, there's probability. So now let's talk about this. Now, first thing first we need to mark is this area. You see this resistance level? Market is likely to come and test it. So this is going to be our weekly what? WR, weekly resistance level. That is one. Then secondly, look at this support area. Okay, look at this support area. which is our weekly support. That is the weekly support, giving us a nice rejection, then push to the upside. Okay, let us see the daily. Let's see where market is reacting from. Maybe we might have a buying opportunity. Yeah, market tapped nicely. Look at it. This is the daily support, the extreme zone that we have here. Boom, we have a nice tap, which is our what? Our DS. That is our DS. So let's zoom, let's zoom, let's zoom, let's zoom, let's zoom, let's zoom. So now from that DS, market has given us another what? Another support with this beautiful rejection. And now it gives us what? A liquidity for this guy. So I'll be expecting market to come back here so that we can take a buy. So that we can take a buy. All right. So let us mark this guy now. Please, let's tap this daily support here, which is our DS, creating another level right here. That will be useful for the entry now. DS. Okay. Now, if you go to daily, 4 hours rather, we want to see a change of character from that point. Let's go to 4 hours. And we're going to see the alignment on this DS. All right, beautiful. So this was the rejection. This was the rejection that took place. Mark this eye to the upside. Okay, it pushed all the way down here, and our market is what? Market push up. Okay, so where I'll be looking forward to take this buy is actually going to be this same zone, this same area, this DS. If market can come back here, do you understand? Because from here, market give us a nice eye. Eye. This low, we have this higher eye. Now I want to see market push back here before we have a push to the upside. Okay, any analysis for .USD? So we should be looking forward to what? To buy from here. Okay, we can look forward to buy from here. So let us talk about the selling opportunity where market is at the moment. Let's go to daily or weekly. Let me see the weekly first. We want to talk about the sell. If there's opportunity to take a sell. All right, let's go to daily. Please, let's tap on share. All right, so this is daily. Is there an opportunity? Okay, we have this head and shoulder the market is giving us there, which is our daily resistance level. Okay, and we looking at this structure. We have this beautiful trend line here. Please, let's tap. Okay, which is our DT. That beautiful trend line, that is our DT. All right, so that is our DT, and market is giving us a nice head and shoulder right here. Okay, a nice head and shoulder. Okay, so let's go to 4 hours now. Let's look for how we can get in on this market. So here we go. So on this zone, market give us this daily resistance level, rejection, and they create another resistance level right here. Okay, so if market can actually come back here again, we're gonna be taking a sell. If market can come back here once more, we are taking a sell from there, and it's going to be a good sell. it's going to be a good sell. We're going to hold it all the way down here. Please, let's start. This is the daily resistance. After the rejection, we have this. Market give us that resistance level. With that rejection, you see that rejection, it now create another fresh zone, which is a virgin zone. This is a virgin girl that is hiding around there. That is our DR. Okay, so if market can push up, I say DR, that is our 4 hour rather. This is 4 hours. Okay, so one market to do what? To give us a rejection from there, and we sell. And we sell. At least this kind of sell, we're gonna be getting a nice RR. You're gonna be getting a nice RR from that point. So we wait patiently. We're not doing it aggressively. We're going to do it conservatively with confirmation before we engage on that sell. Before we engage on that sell. Do we understand? Do we understand? Please let us start. People on the YouTube, please. Let's try now. Let's share this live stream. At least I have I have 6 people there. At least being the first time. Small now, small, which is very, very encouraging, which is good. Okay, I think I should put this one here. So let me add this one. Let me put alerts here so that anytime I can get there, then I'm going to know. Let's put alert right there. I hope market can push up to that point. That's just it. I hope market can push up to this level. Okay, let me take away this so that people will not be doing sell limits. It's not a pending order. What we are doing is with confirmation. That's what we are trying to do. It's confirmation. V50. You're not checking our comments. How am I going to be seeing that? Oh God. Babe, give me your DVN, I'm so sorry. How am I going to be seeing it? The thing they show for down here go come clear. What's that music? You like the music? Please let me check the comments there. Emma Bino. Yeah, YouTube, yeah. Yes, sir. That is the sound I use. The person that is asking for the sound, this is the sound I use. So that is my sound. Okay. I'm so sorry. On the YouTube, let me. Wow, say comment too. I greet everybody. Thank you all for joining. I really appreciate. Thank you all for joining. So somebody said we should check V25 1S. Okay. Who is saying scam here? Nobody is scam anyone here. V25 1S from the YouTube. No, I don't think so. People on the YouTube, please, I'm so sorry. I greet everyone. All right, so let us check this from 3 months. Let us clear the chart. Let's clear the chart. Please let me be checking so that if there's any comments, you can let me know. See, if you want to make it share, I'll click on it. Not to share it. Everything. And I can't. Let me share. Okay, V25 1S, here we go. We have market is bullish. All right, from this low, we have a high, higher low, high, another new high. So market is bullish. All through market is bullish. Okay, but what market give us here? You see, anytime you see market form this kind of indecision right here, and you realize the market is not actually rejecting from anywhere, that is a continuation. Market is likely to give us a continuation. Okay, so now let us go to monthly. This is our monthly. Okay, so now what monthly is giving us here is trying to form a M pattern. Let's take this one out. Okay, it's giving us what? A M pattern. This is a nice CLT. Okay, and this CLT here has not actually got it to this level, but it has used the 50% already, and at the same time it's trying to form a M pattern, which we call a double top. That's a double top. Okay, that is what market is doing at the moment. Right now we have this resistance with this beautiful rejection. Now I want to see markets give me a break on weekly to give us a change of character. This was the rejection. Change of character happened. The market did not even use this guy. It break above this resistance level. Market break above this resistance level, which means there's probability that market might do this and push up again, or it can even create a higher low here and give us a higher high. I don't know, maybe you guys are getting it. Let me remind you, on our 3 months, let me remind you, on our 3 months, this thing that you are seeing, this indecision candle, this candle, whenever you have an indecision candle on a free zone. What is a free zone? Free zone is maybe market is not rejecting in any zone at all. Market is not rejecting on any zone. That is a sign of what? For a continuation to the upside. And mind you, this is 3 months. So we have 3 candles, which is going to form one candle on this 3-month time frame. Okay, which means on a monthly time frame we have 3 candles to form. So if this bullish candle break above, then that means the continuation for that the indecision, that means the continuation is going to be active, is going to be activated. But at the moment, because of the indecision on that 3 months, that is why you see market trying to form a M pattern. This kind of M pattern can fail. That is why we need to be very careful. Because when, let me take this guy out. Because when we have this resistance level, okay, and this is a CLT, it has used on more than 50% of this particular candle. All right, it pushed down and now it's pushing up. So when we have this rejection, I don't expect this kind of long wick, this candle. I don't expect it to give me this kind of long wick. I only expect it to just give me a kind of rejection here, then drop. So it is from your weekly, you now see it very, very clear. If you go to your weekly now, here we go. I'm not supposed to see market breaking off this high. So market has broken it, giving us a higher high, breaking this guy to the upside. So what I want to see now is create a higher low, then higher high. Do we understand? Please, let's stop. Let's go back. Because this is the area I'm supposed to use for sell, this resistance level. But we have a break. So for that reason, why are we having this rejection? This guy. Why are we having all this here? Why are we having all this? It's because of this level. Because of this level. Okay, so for me, I'll be looking forward to what? Continue this buy. This buy, I will continue looking for the buy, not sell. Not sell. Even if I want to sell, you see this extreme should be the zone I should sell from. Because this is what? Our weekly resistance level, this level. That is weekly resistance level. Okay, this area is just a what? A liquidity area where market has what? Market has taken it out already. It took it out. So if market wants to sell, it should do this. Use this area, then sell. But because of the trend of the market, I want to see it what? Break to the upside. So now what we're going to do right now is to mark this our resistance level. That give us how many rejection? 2 rejection. This is our what? Weekly support now. Okay, and if you mark your fib level from this low to this high, where is market rejected from? This is a golden zone area. Alphabet. Okay, so I want to see market reject from here and start pushing to the upside. We are only trying to follow. Olatedo, how are you? We are only trying to follow the trend of the market. That's what we are trying to do. So now we go to daily and we begin to look for alignment at that zone. What are the alignment that we have here? Of course, we have a breaker block. So which breaker block do you think we're gonna be using in this case? Let me ask you guys this question. We have this one. Let me draw it out. This guy. That is where market is at the moment. That is DS. I'm marking 2 zones. That is DS. And this guy. another DS. This guy. So now we have let me put one here. We have one there. Babe, ọmọ mi yìí, ṣé o lè bá mi gbé wọlé báyìí?
Oga Risho, can I speak to you briefly?
Yeah, I'm coming, sir.
Okay.
So, this guy, number 2. So, on the comment box, which one do you think we can use for a continuation for this buy? 1 or 2? People on the YouTube, I want to see your comment as well. 1 or 2? Okay, KJO said 2. Olatelu said 2. Henry said 2. Okay, 1 or 2? 1 or 2? 1 or 2? No, wait. Skip to life. You can rewind and check. Okay, many people are choosing 2. Okay, on the comment box on the YouTube, 1 or 2? Okay, Bello said 2. On comment, okay, somebody said 1. All right, that is from the YouTube. So I think majority go for the 2. Now, me personally, I'll be going for the 2. Let me tell you my reasons for the 2. My reasons for the 2. If you go back to your weekly, watch, you will realize that market has not gotten to this weekly support. Boom. Market has not gotten there. It has not gotten to this support. Okay, it has not. So beneath this level, we have a daily support, the breaker block. We want to see market reject and push up. So that is why the 2 is more valid than the 1. And both 1 and 2, market has not used them when market break it. When we have a break here, market has not come back to use either of maybe 1 or 2. But the moment market is reacting from this one now, that is where market is reacting from at the moment. Market is already rejecting from the 1. Okay. So let us take away this one. Boom. All right. This weekly support, let us reduce. Boom. And don't forget marking your fib level from here. From this low to this high. You will see that market is rejecting from, is going to be around what Goldie zone area. So if not because this 25 oneness, I don't know, I've forgotten, is it volatile? Is it volatile? If it's not volatile, it's something that we can actually have a what? A buy limit from this DS like this. Then our SL is going to be on this our red zone like this. There we go long. It is volatile. Aha, so they said it is volatile. Okay, I could have said we just have this kind of opportunity, this trade. King Julius. Okay. King Julius to go for 2. King Julius, what did they do for YouTube? I think it's better there, right? Yes. So, let us go to 4 hours and let's see. Thank you for the Milador. Please make sure you subscribe. Make sure you subscribe. Those of you on the YouTube, everybody should subscribe, please. Thank you. So now, here we go. Can we catch a? Can we look for sell opportunity? Because we all agreed, we are having agreements now. The market is not going to use the one. Saying that these two market is coming to this extreme. So I think we have the opportunity to look for selling opportunity, right? So now let's see where this guy is rejecting from. Let me see. Let's go to daily. Is not all right. Small but starts very volatile. Okay, that's from YT. Let's go back to 1 hour, 4 hours time frame. King Julius in the laugh. So let's zoom. Don't let us to force ourselves on this trade. So let us just be patient. At least we have a zone where we'll be looking forward to buy from. So probably maybe before Monday or so, we should be able to take a buy from this level. So I'll be checking this one closely. Okay, we'll be checking it very closely. So that is that for V25 1S. All right. So Dr. Good, what's up? Unmute your mic, sir.
Ogari show, I need prayer, I need advice. I just weak. I dey frustrated like now.
Let us pray.
Man, I don't know if you feel open lab USDT for trading view. Make I explain wetin dey happen.
No, I thought you said you need prayer. I said more pray.
Make I explain wetin happen first now so that you go know how to take pray.
Which pair?
Lab, LAB, USDT, Lab USDT, LAB, normal lab.
What did they do for there?
Oga, see, hi. I don't dey watch that thing for long. I know say that thing go 4, go 6. I said 6. May you open up, may you see what they happen first.
Which of the lab?
LAB, Lab USDT.
USDT. Which one make I use?
Volatile.
Which pair you they use? Which pair you they use?
Lab USDT.
I know. Which broker rather? Which broker they use here?
Bybit.
Where Bybit?
Trading view. You should check out for trading view.
I want to try and look for the Bybit here. Okay, this is one Bybit. This is now, it's not. Okay, let us use this one then. Let's use one then. So what do you do, sir?
If I entered, I know this thing will. If you see today now, it has rose by
It peak now
115%.
from year to year.
Yes, 115% today. Now, it was this same region I entered the trade with 100 USDT.
Yeah.
No, I entered at 14. This same where it is now. I entered and I started longing it.
From here.
Right? From 14, if you look from 14, so it was falling down for the past 2 days.
Yeah.
I will still buy, keep. Then it got to 6 yesterday, 6 to 5.7 yesterday. And when it was getting there, I had a lot of backup because, just like you were explaining that your video, this lot size of a thing, I ensure my lot size is small, that I can manage what's come to the worst. Even I had long order up to 0.1 to show that I can hold it. But yesterday, I don't know what happened. Bybit AI sent me a message that there is an issue with lab, that blah blah blah, something was going to happen, that so it destabilized me last night. So I now changed all my take profit, because I put take profit from 10, 13 up to 21. I now changed this to just let me get my profit back. Yes, after waiting for 3 days, Oga. Today now I would have been making 4,000. How much did I make today? Only 300. I would have been making 4,000 as we are speaking. The thing just they pay me. I don't know who to talk to. Make una pray for me. I don't know what to do, because imagine that I've been chopping losses of about 1,400 yesterday, and I heard. But after that AI message came, I became destabilized.
And already you've already closed it now, right?
I've already, because when it came yesterday, I not fit sleep last night, so I felt, this one I be this coin now don't they go zero pata. Like it would have, if it has gone to zero, all my capital will not go though, but at least I will lose maybe up to 3,000. You understand? But if I had just been patient, I would have. Hey God, this was one of my first big break now. I could not just hold today. It's just so painful for me. Only 300 now I get for inside. And this thing has been happening when the storm is so bad, I'm able to hold. But when it gets to collecting profit, I cannot hold anymore. It's because as if the heaven wants to fall down. I don't know.
So, how long have you been trading this?
I just started trading it though, but I've been monitoring it. I've been seeing I like the volatility, because it's very fast. I can easily go in, come out, but I go with very small amount. Like I said, 100 and very small leverage. I use 10.
Okay.
So before I was trading BTC, the other Solana, I was using 500 to trade. Yeah, but the day that Bitcoin falling, also I was in the market that day. It wiped all my gain, but my profit was back, so I gave out my gain back. So since then, I now reduce and land again. I now say, okay, I won't be using 500.
Okay.
I would make it 100 and be distributing it to different coins. So this is why I entered this lab. But before I've been trading this lab, I've been making money, right?
Wow.
So since I saw I was making money, I felt okay, I could make more.
Yeah.
And I've been collecting. I've not really gotten any loss though. I've not really gotten any loss. But it is the issue of that. I will wait when my account is showing red. I'm seeing values that I've not seen before. But when it now reached time for me to now reap now, I was not in the market, nowhere to be found. To collect my blessing.
It happen. Even though normally on this our trading and this thing, they happen way. You understand? You just accept your fate like that. You don't have choice. You accept it. Sorry about that, bro. You don't need prayer. Oh my God. Sorry, but be careful with all this when at the trade. Oh. Be careful
You
with
see,
it.
I'm like, they trade down small. I know they use big size.
Uh-huh.
You know, if not, assuming say, imagine say I enter RAM for because I enter RAM when it did 14. So as they come down, they buy. So my size, if in short, if it come down the more, if it go back up, I will now reap more. That was why I was able to get 300.
Yeah.
You see, because my buy already is now very big. So any small percentage now, I will have a lot of profit. So I felt because for the past 2 days it will go up. It's not that I've not been seeing profit. It will go down, red, to come to profit. And because I've already made up my mind now that I want it to, I've set take profit for 10, 13, 33, 19, and 21. So today, after that AI sent me that, I don't know this their system. He sent me, so I felt maybe something is happening for maybe Bybit to send me this message, you know.
Okay.
So it destabilized me yesterday.
And are you sure they manipulate all these things?
I know that they manipulate it, and that's why I use small size. I join people who say they benefit.
Exactly.
I was sure that first day when it came down, it went up. I saw 200. I left it as gain. Then by the time I slept and woke up, it went down again. Right? When it went down, it went up again. I saw small profit again. I left it because I wanted it to get to my TP. So yesterday now, yesterday was very brutal. So when the AI sent me a message and I saw how brutal it was yesterday, because yesterday it went down by 60%. Now today it has gone up by 120% now as we are speaking, 122 now. So if I just waited, it would have reached at least 10, 13 of my TP. I would have already taken 75% of my capital and gain. Then I will leave the remainder. At least that small portion will not be too bad again. But nowhere to be found. The blessing day, I was not there.
Sorry about that. That is the only thing we have to tell you now, you know. Opportunities are still coming now, Abba. Opportunity are coming, so you don't need to.
Yes, I will wait. That's why I don't want to enter now, because I know this coin.
Opportunity are coming.
It can just go away back again.
That's it.
It's not that I can't enter now, but the psychological damage, I need to gather myself again to.
I understand.
Not be only when it's bad that good day inside. If it's good, I should be benefiting.
Yeah, it is well. Julius, I got your message on from YouTube. You said this 25 1S is not volatile. Okay. Let me do this. Let me check myself. Maybe we can have this buy set up. Let me see if it's not too much. Please, let's tap and share. Mr. Bello.
Good morning. Good afternoon, brother.
Good afternoon, my brother.
How you doing?
I'm trying my best. And you too?
The YouTube is a little bit slow.
It's not slow.
It's slow.
I'm
on photo. Both of the screen and my front.
Yeah, that is it. You know, say the slow is just is seconds.
Just like a few seconds. Assuming it's like a few seconds, it's better.
No, na few seconds. Now your network.
It's not. I'm using the same network for both.
Shebi, I they use phone for here now, and I they see them.
Okay.
So maybe sometimes if you don't day back, maybe you minimize your phone, If you come back, now that place it go continue from. You go down the back. So if you
You can easily go to live now.
eh?
By the time you pick live back, you zoom back to that place. That's what I'm trying to tell you.
No, you go down the back. Now you go forward them to the main distance.
Okay. And that's why you need to go to live. No, when it's a little bit back, you will leave. You will that live this thing will not be highlighted.
You don't understand. I said now from your own end now, as we are on that
Yes.
live on YouTube, right? If you maybe you receive a call or you minimize or something, by the time you come back, you go there behind. So now you go can't use your hand forward down, or you click. Some phone go click. It go show next to live. Once you click them, you go there where we dey at the moment.
Okay.
Okay. It still happen to this phone. So I see say don't dey, but I need to press this thing. That is how to do it. You go see some live on YouTube. They go don't finish for hours, but because say you know they around, so now from where you stop, you go continue.
Dr. Good, just another opportunity will come. Just be
I
patient.
pray so. I have to be patient again.
Yes, just be patient. Another opportunity will come.
It's coming.
It's coming. Maybe that bigger opportunity they come.
Amen.
It's coming. It's coming. Don't worry.
Let's check this video. Volatility 100.
Okay.
Let's check volatility.
I want to check the price for
Okay.
this thing. Just say come back here. Come back here. No, this thing is volatile. From that point, it's showing about $80. This one on daily time frame is showing $80.
But for you, it's not volatile now. You can use $80 now.
No, I don't use 80. I don't do more than 50.
Why?
I don't do more than 50. So don't worry. I don't do more than 50.
Yeah, it's good like that now.
Now so. See, your brother is sleeping. Your mommy is sleeping, you are not sleeping. Okay, so I'll wait for market to come back to this area. So which one do you say we should check? 100, Abby?
100, yes, 100.
You see her now? You know, it did very sharp now. So it's not the delay, not too much. And because they used you too. Oh my god. Hey, Musti, how are you? Can you unmute your mic? How far, my brother? All right, so this 3-month time frame. That V100, there's a swing opportunity there. Okay, that is a comment from YT by Smallest Baba. Okay. Who's calling me? Don't blow this thing. All right, so here we go. On our 3 months, we have a push to the downside, a lower high, a lower low. It's trying to create a what? A low right here. So we go straight to monthly. So on our monthly time frame, as you can see, we have a resistance level here, which we have this double rejection coming from this level, before market break all the way down. So this monthly zone is not yet a support. Until this candle close, it becomes a support. So we have nothing to do here at the moment. So we go straight to weekly. So now this is the weekly time frame, okay? So on weekly, we have a resistance level right here, okay? We have this beautiful resistance level, which is our weekly resistance. And we have this break, okay, to the downside, and now market is trying to reject from this level. If market rejects from here, there's probability that market is going to do what? Is going to drop to the downside. So let's check the daily. Or better still, don't let me to mark that zone. So this is the zone I'm going to mark now. This our daily resistance level. Can you see the rejection? That is DR. And on our weekly, let's go back to weekly so that you will see the zone. This was the support area. Okay. That is the support area. That is weekly resistance level. So back to daily now. So you will see that market break above the weekly resistance level. It broke and it rejects from this guy. All right. But with all these things, market might still do what? Might still push up to this area or come to this area. I will explain this zone for you now. This is our this is our DR. So from this DR, this rejection that we have here is actually coming from this resistance level. This rejection here is coming from this resistance before we have a push. And this was the low that market. Are you seeing it? This was the low. The market took it out. So you see all this area is just what? A liquidity area. All right. Now market has taken out the liquidity. And market broke this low to the downside. Okay. So there's probability the market might push up like this to this area, then drop. That is one. But three things are likely to happen. Three things. The three things is, you see where market is here, market can do what? Start dropping. And if you go to 4 hours, because we have this rejection from this level, okay, and market break this low, market can push up like this and drop. And the final zone is for market to push up to this area and drop. These three zones are area that market is likely to use. So if we go by this thing, this rejection that happened here, right, that we should look for sell from there, we may be wrong and we may be right. Because what market did here was, we have a consolidation market here before we have the break. Now market pushing back here to the resistance, we need to see what? A break to the downside. Do we understand? So if we are taking any sell from this area, it's actually going to be like I will not call it a low risk trade. It's just going to be a normal trade, right? But you should have it in mind that it might go against us. So now, let's talk about the sell that is going on around here now. Let's talk about it. We have a support Market rejects here. It gives us another daily resistance. Let me reduce this weekly resistance so that it won't confuse us. And market created what? A new resistance level here with now market is rejecting from that point. That is not the CRT. Okay. Market is rejecting at the moment. So now if you now go to 4 hours, let's look for sell opportunity. So if at all, if we want to sell this guy, do you know where I would love to sell from? Look at this guy, this 4-hour resistance level. This is going to be where me personally will be looking for sell. That is our 4-hour. But before I can sell from here, market have to do this for me. He has to close below this guy first, then give me opportunity to come back here, then push down. So you see this week is going to be equal I what? Liquidity. That is a liquidity for me. Please, let's start. Change the colors. Add to see. You say it's hard to see. Everybody, what do you think? Should I change the background, the color? Somebody comment that it's hard to see. Let me see this color. Let's see this. Maybe it's going to be okay. Okay, change them. Okay. Let me see. Maybe we can change the background. Is it on that symbol? No. Status. Background. Scale. Canvas. Background here. Green there. This is green. Let us see. Maybe I can reduce this. Okay, is this one okay? Is it okay? I should change it. No, not the background. The white candles. No, I don't want to change the white candles, Daddy.
I think it's the candles he's talking about.
I don't want to change the candles name. Share this candle no dey okay ni. Okay, let me do this. Okay. I will leave this background. Let me change that one to a deep white body. Pure white. This one. Pure black. Pure white. Is it good this way?
Thank you very much.
Okay, Bavi said thank you. All right, so I think we are good now. So that is that for. No, it was with the green background. Hey, what I do? You say it was. Let me change the background back to white. Make the borders on the candle ticker. Okay, the borders. Okay. Canvas. This. Solid. White.
Make the others on the
I think we are good now. Are we okay? Are we okay? Mr. Bello, is it okay?
send at me.
It's okay for me. It's
Okay.
okay for me. For me, I don't know for. But it's still, it's talking about the candle borderline. I think you can increase it. You can increase it to be more thicker.
Okay, let's
The
see.
borderline around those white, those candle,
Okay, let's see.
those wick,
The
those
wick,
wick,
yeah.
I think you can increase the thickness.
The border, this is the border, yeah?
Yes.
No, it doesn't have size for this thing. It's just this. It doesn't have size for it. There's no size. It doesn't have size, so I think we are good. It's still, it's okay now. So I'll be waiting for market to break this guy, all right? Then come back to this area. Then I look forward to sell. So that is what I'll be waiting for. So please, let's tap and share. Let's tap and share. Please, I change the. Sir, use the green and red candle. King Julius. Please, I change the color to the normal color. You see, red, I don't like to be seeing reds.
See red now. Red is good.
Kind now. All right, let me satisfy you guys. Let me satisfy you guys. Body is gonna be lemon green.
Yes, I guess it.
I know you guys are okay with this. Any complaint again? Much better. Any complaint again? Okay, so that is that for this V100. So anytime I can come back to that area, I'm gonna be looking forward to drop for sale. So guys, please, let's start. Which one do you want us to check again? Which one do you want us to check? This is it V50 we add a sell limit? No, not V50. Okay, this one actually. Market is dropping from there, but I hope it can push back to our entry. Tennis. People on the YouTube, I'm watching closely. Don't worry, I'm watching closely and I'm looking at the comments right there. It seems we have buyers here. Seems so. Yeah, this is the tennis now. I answered you, Nisa. Mr. Oluwasefumi, okay, sir.
God.
Which pair do you want us to check? Which pair do you want us to check? Can you do CCOTO? No, I don't do all that too. I don't do all that too.
That's all.
I don't do all that.
This is still.
I'll use it. So which one do you want us to check? Which one do you want us to check? We never see opportunity, but guys, don't panic. We're going to see opportunity. You just need to be patient. Yeah. You see this 200, right?
Yeah.
I swear the green and red is better for me.
At the beginning.
Green and red, no, green and black is okay.
And the red. We need to go and red now.
Okay, let us check the green and red.
So I don't like it.
Hmm?
No, I don't like this one.
It's not, it's too ash. It's too ash. V25. Okay, I'm coming. Before we go to V25, I'm looking forward to buy this guy. Let's go to daily. I'm looking forward to buy this guy. This is our daily support area here. That is DS. Okay. A market push up and create another daily support here. So from this level, I want this guy to reject. After this rejection, I'll be looking forward to buy this guy to the upside. Okay. So now let me go to 4 hours and see if it's already giving us a nice setup. So now 4 hours. Let me see this support. Alpha. Aha. So market must not close below this guy. Yeah. You see this level? That is our 4S. So if market can respect this level, I'll be looking forward to long this guy from that point. This long week here. Can you see this long? A market is rejecting from this guy. So if this guy rejects and above, whereby this candle is going to close in the next less than 2 hours, or I'll be looking forward to long this guy. So let me see the 1 hour. Let me see how it looks like. So this is the 1 hour. So the 1 hour now is I want to see this guy, or I can do less V10S. Okay, I want to see this guy push up, all right, to reject from this and close above. So this is 15 minutes. 15 minutes must give me another close to the upside. So let me see the 1 hour. Then the 1 hour candle too must close above here. Must close above. You know, look at this beautiful trend line. This trend line was 15-minute trend line, right? Then we have a breakout giving us a change of character from this high, right? And now market is pushing back to this area. I want 1 hour candle to close above. Once it close above, we are taking a buy. We're gonna be taking a buy. Okay, we're gonna be taking a buy. What is it?
This is it's different with some.
Now, if you mark your fib level from this low to this high. This is a golden zone area where market is rejecting from at the moment, which is a good place for us to look for the buy, to take a buy from. So let us just wait for any bullish candle. Any bullish candle, we are buying. Bullish candle to close above, we are what? Buying this guy from that point. I'm not going to wait for daily candle to close. I'm not going to wait for daily candle to close. Do we understand? V10. Okay, let me let's check V10. You the marine. Marine, what's up? This V10, I think it was when I was analyzing market with one of my students this morning. Yeah, I think so. Yeah, I think so. So I'm waiting for opportunity from this resistance level. I'm waiting for opportunity from this resistance level on this V10. On this V10. Okay. So anytime market gets it, I'll be taking a sell from that point. So let us quickly check V751S. Coca-Cola said we should check 751S. Please let us tap and share. Let us tap and share. Let us tap and share. All right, this V751S. I don't know what you want us to check here. Market is already bullish. Okay, market is already pushing up, so there's nothing we can do here. Stay away, stay away, stay away. Okay, market is already pushing to the upside, so there's nothing we can do right there. So now, before we continue, okay, let me put it on this step 200. Gold analysis. Yeah, tomorrow is gold analysis. Tomorrow. Okay, I will be checking gold tomorrow. I can see your this thing on the YouTube tomorrow, okay? Tomorrow, please. Tomorrow is where we do weekly analysis for currency pairs, gold, BTC, and the rest of them. But today is Saturday, so we are only focusing on C10. So before we continue, right? If this is your first time, you are welcome. And I really appreciate you guys for joining. So do well to join me. Click the link on the bio, all right, to join our free Telegram group. And if you want to join our VIP is $20. Then 2 weeks subscription is $10. Monthly is $20 to join. Okay, so yeah, we go live every blessed day, which is weekdays 9 a.m. in the morning, Monday to Friday. Then weekend is Saturday and Sunday, anytime on weekend. Okay, please do well to join us. So now YouTube is added, so live stream on both YouTube and TikTok, as you can see here. So we go live on both. As I'm talking to you, people are on the YouTube at the moment. So hopefully God is going to help us. All right, so let's go ahead and make sure you follow me if you haven't followed. Okay. Please, let's tap. You guys are not tapping. No, we did 12.2 since morning. 12.2 since morning. Come on, that's not fair. That is not fair. That is not fair.
screen.
I'm so interested in this because if this guy can actually give us a bullish trend there, we are buying. We are buying. Okay, we are buying. Please, let's stop. So please remind me, once it's 5 o'clock, let me know so that we can come back to this guy. Once it's 5 o'clock, we'll come back to this. All right, V51S, okay. V51S. All right, so let's talk about this guy. 3-month time frame on 51S. So on this 3 months, we have a low here. Market give us a high. Now market is around here now. Where is market is? Is it around 50% level from our field? Let's check together. There we go. That is a golden zone area, 50% level. That is where market is at the moment. Okay, and now we have this indecision candle. Look at this indecision candle giving us a long leg wick here above. Okay, so let's go straight to our monthly. So monthly time frame, here we go. Market is breaking below this support, this new support here. Can you see this level? This is our support area, which is our monthly support MS. Okay, that is MS. All right, and this rejection that we have here is actually coming from this support here. Okay, that is where this guy is coming from, and after that market created another resistance level here, giving us this beautiful rejection from this our monthly time frame, which means market is ready to keep pushing lower. That is our MR. Okay, that is our MR. All right, so from this high, market give us equal low here before we have a massive break to the downside. Now we have a push to the upside, and our market is breaking down. V10, okay, King Julius, no problem. After this, all right. So now, how many rejection do we have on this support? We have 1, 2. This double rejection. This double rejection right here, right? So we want to see markets give us a push to the downside. So let's check our weekly now. So this is weekly time frame. What do we have on weekly time frame? Already, market has given us a nice head and shoulder. Head, shoulder, and shoulder. Okay, a nice head and shoulder right there. And look at the way this guy is rejecting from this shoulder. He now created another resistance level here. And where is our neckline? This is the neckline. This is the neckline from the shoulder. When you have this kind of pattern, if market give you this kind of pattern, okay, we have this equal low. We have this market break, wait for pullback here, and sell off. Now let me show you. This is our neckline. This is the head. This is the shoulder. This is the shoulder. Okay. Market did what? Market break below this guy, giving us a pullback. So from this pullback is where you're gonna be taking your what? Your sell opportunity to the what? To the downside. Okay, that's why you'll be looking for sell opportunity. Please let's tap and share. So let's come back. This is the neckline right here. And look at the way market break it here. Breaking this level. Let us reduce this. So now we are looking forward to sell from here. Let's go to daily now. We are looking for sell from that point. Please let's tap. So now what market did here was we have a push to the downside, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, higher high. Market break this guy to the upside, then tap in around there and push lower. So this lower, I want market to use the same area for what? For our entry. So which is going to be another head and shoulder. Look at this level. It's going to be another head and shoulder. Align with this weekly support. Let's go back to the weekly. That neckline. This neckline I was talking about. This neckline. This equal low here. The neckline. That's it. So that is the weekly support. That becomes a resistance now. So let me mark it. That is our WR. So we're going back to the daily. Daily T is now forming what? Head and shoulder. So we'll be taking the head and shoulder for this sell. All right. Can you see the alignment? This is the resistance right here. So this is the head. This is the shoulder. Upper on here. I want to see another shoulder here. Upper kg. Are you guys with me? So first thing first, all I'm not going to do is let me just mark this guy out. Boom, as our DR. Boom. This WR, let us reduce. So let's go to 4 hours to look for confluence, alignment. Here we go. Let us mark our fib level from this high to this swing low. Can you say that is a golden zone area? So we're going to be putting our SL at this red line. So our entry is going to be something like this. SL is going to be something like this. Then we go low. So first thing first, guys, I want you to help me to check the price. What is going to be the price for this? Let me put the essay here so that you know at the entry. So somebody should check. How easy, how volatile it is. That is V51S. Black say they volatile. V51S. Let me check myself. I want to check myself if it's that volatile. So the price is 12,003. And the asset is 12,004. That is about 15. That is about 15. Okay. So what I'm going to do is we are going to do it conservatively. What is your problem? We're going to do it conservatively. If market get there, then we are going to engage with confirmation. Okay. So that's what we're gonna do. It's not even 20. Small Baba, it's not 20. It's actually $20, $15. So let us check. So this one now, whenever market they get there, then we check this one tomorrow. This V15, we're gonna check it tomorrow. So let me add it to favorite. Tomorrow we're gonna check it. All right, V25 by Mr. Peter. So I have an opportunity here. Okay, where I'm actually looking for this guy to still come back and tap us before he start pushing. Okay, so let me delete all this first. Let us get the confirmation right first. Let's put this on one side. Let's get the confirmation right. All right. Once I have the rejection, then boom, we are going for the buy. Because at the moment, I have a 4-hour zone here now, and that is where market tapped, which is ready for the buy. That is where market tapped. And market is actually pushing now. That is where market tapped. So let's check the 1 hour. That is where market tapped. So if we can actually push back, I will really appreciate to this level, then push up again. I will really appreciate that. Because yesterday when we were talking about this, market was actually, I think market was here, was pushing up, it pushed down, push up again. Now it has come down to this level. This is an opportunity again to engage from this level, from this support. You could have engaged a buy from here, but let's see. Maybe it can still come down. Maybe it can come down. If the market can push back, I will appreciate it. So this is 1 hour support now. So let me check the 15 minutes. So there is a zone extreme here, and there is a zone right here that market can use. So anything we want to make it can do. All I'm waiting for is to just push back. It should just push back. Step index. Step index what? Please, let's stop. You see what this guy is doing now? And the 1 hour has not closed. Let me use fib level here. Let me check the price from this level. Step 200 on 1 hour time frame. That is 10,000. 10,002. Please, let's start. This is about 12. Guys, let's take this buy. Long position right here. Okay, put your SL here. To the upside. Take your buy. Now. Whew. Let me do the SL. The SL price. What is this now? The SF price. Let's go to our target is gonna be this guy. Take your buy now. I'm going to post this one now. Hopefully it should go well. Hopefully it should go well. Save. So let me go and post this. Step 200. Wicked signal. If you want to join the VIP, it's $20. Then for monthly sub, so any trade we take for the weekend, all the trade will be shared, which is just 3 maximum, is going to be shared on the free Telegram group. That's why we have that. Ten to 238.2. Ten to 38. Please, let's start. Let's start. Let's start. So now we have a running trade on this. So let me put it on the trade 200. Okay, under running trades. All right, Mr. Ellie said normal step index. Okay.
This sorry sir. Good
Yeah.
afternoon.
What's up?
Yes, sir. This index not there for Meta 5.
Why no day?
I didn't see it.
On the reef?
No, it's there on the leaf. Let me check on the leaf.
No, Shebi na the reef this thing they use. Where they there now?
Yes.
It's there now.
Yeah, let me check. I come here. No, it's there the leaf. I mean for Meta 5. Meta 5, I mean.
Shebi is your the reef account on MT5, Abi?
Yes.
Go and check now. You will see step index.
Okay.
Go and see if you want to go and do this thing. You see step index there. We just brought our lights now. Can we enter now? We are on the bio. Oof. What's your TP? It's a long trade, though. Can you hold it? It's a long trade, though. Can you hold it? This is TP. Can you see the TP there? Okay, if you can hold it, of course. So yeah, I'm holding this trade. Hopefully it should go well. Hopefully it should go well. No be everybody go fit take this trade though. No be everybody, because this one when I check is about $17. It's about $17. It's about $17 this trade. So, and if you put your SA here, you'll be getting maybe 11, 12 thereabouts. So let's see. All right, so let's go check the the normal step index. The normal step index. Please let's tap and share. Just say, come and help me to draw this curtain for me. So step index, all right, let us clear the charts and start from beginning. Okay, so on 3-month time frame, all right, so as you can see, market is bearish, right? From this high, market give us this low, lower high, then a lower low. So from this lower low, there's possibility that market can still push up to like 50% of this range. So let us check the high from this high to this level. Let's check together. Okay, it was actually close to the 50% level because we have an imbalance in between here. So all these weeks that we are having, market is actually rejecting from this guy at the moment, so which is our 3MR. Okay, that is a 3MR. That is a 3MR. Okay, so let's see, maybe we can capitalize on this move, you know. So let's go to monthly. So on monthly time frame, okay, can you see the beautiful rejection that we have? This is the support here. You see the alignment align with the 3MR. Okay, look at the way we have these 3 rejections, 1, 2, 3. Then from there, market now give us a new resistance level. So market is trying to push lower to take this guy out. All right, so that is what I want to see. So let's go to our monthly now, weekly. So on weekly time frame, okay, this was the high market created, this high. Okay, now we have this high. If market can come back here once more to come and form another rejection, something like this, and drop, yes, we're going to be looking forward to sell from that point. Okay, I'm going to be looking forward to sell from that area. Do you understand? So let us check. Maybe market is rejecting from this resistance level. Look at that. You see that market did not reject. Market did not reject. So that is our weekly resistance level, WR. Okay, so what market did there was it came up to engineer this liquidity. That is what market came to do. So this is what an engineered liquidity. So now I want to say market push up, reject nicely, then boom, to the downside. Are we clear? Then boom to the downside. So we hope this guy can push up. So now, let us talk about this because market is giving us a buy setup here. But do you think it's actually ideal to do a buy setup? I don't think it's ideal because market is dropping and the normal trend is market is what? It's selling. So if you are not going for a buy from the extreme here, it's going to be a very, very risky one because I have a setup for a buy. And where do you think I can buy from? This area. This area, right, is where I think I can buy from, which is our daily a weekly support. All right, and if you look at what happened here, we have support here, it has been mitigated. Support here has been mitigated. It broke this high. When this guy rejects from this support, it broke this high to the upside. This is an what? Liquidity inducement area that market created. This zone. These two lows. Please let's stop. Okay, this lows. But there's probability the market might use it. You understand? So come and it can use it to validate this area. If market use this guy, it can come up here just to validate here and do what? And drop. And drop. I created a bot that protects your account from being blown. School of Sense, what's up, brother? It's been a while. Okay. So now let me ask you this question. Do you agree with me that market is likely to push up from here? If you agree, let me see your comments. Do you agree that market is likely to push up from here? Do you agree? Yes. Yes, yes. Do you agree? Many people say yes, yes, yes. Okay. More people, more people. Do you agree? The market is likely to push up from this level. And mind you, market is bearish. Your mommy's charger, yeah, you go and bring it. Do you all agree? Do you all agree? Where's the head now? Too playful. So, if you agree, no problem. Let's see. Before me personally can agree, I need to see a weekly rejection first. If a weekly rejection give me maybe this candle that is dropping, if it can push down and reject, we can be looking for a buy setup. Do we understand? We can be looking for a buy setup from that point. Okay. Please give me a minute. So that is going to be my bias on this. We don't need to go too far on this one. Okay, so we cannot sell, we cannot buy where market is at the moment. We just need to be patient. All right. Please let's tap and share. Let's tap and share. So this candle is going to close in the next less than 2 minutes. Give me a minute, guys. Please, let's start. It closes bearish. It closes bearish there. Please, let's start. Let's start. Let's start. Let's check the 15 minutes here. So let's see. Please, let's keep tapping. Let's keep tapping. So this 4 hours candle is going to close in less than 1 hour. Less than 1 hour is going to close. Please, let's start. Let's start. So let me know the pair you want me to check on. V10. And V10-1S. Only you. We've talked about this one before. Okay, I'm looking forward to sell this guy. So if market can push up, of course, I'm going to be taking a sell from this particular trade. Do you understand? I'm going to be looking for sell. So we need to be patient. Okay? So V10-1S. So this is the sell limit we have on V10-1S. We have the sell limit for this V10-1S. So we need to be patient, okay? We need to be patient with this market. We have a sell limit, okay? Guys, please let's tap and share. I'll be closing my live stream in a few minutes. Tomorrow we'll be looking for more opportunities. Okay, we'll be looking for more opportunities. Please let's tap. If this is going to be step 200 is close to SLO. And if it's close to SM core, please, I don't like this kind of vibe and the risk taker. What is the meaning of that now? It's close to SLO and so. The risk taker and so. You should have learned from all these things now. I don't understand. Please don't be saying that on my live stream again, please. And you'll be joining my live stream, no be once, no be twice, no be 3 times. I always talk about this, and if you engage on a trade, don't put your mind that, okay, because we engage on a trade, so you should just be going. Allow the market to run. If market wants to take you out, it should take us out. If market wants to come to drawdown and push. The entire trade say market is going to SL. I'll make you go to SL. That's my prayer, self. If you don't know, yes, that's my prayer. You should come to the SL direct, straight up. You should come to SL. If you don't have that kind of mindset, you can't be successful. Okay, you engage on a trade, you need to be what? To have it in mind that yes, this market is gone. Forget it. Put your mind off it. Put your mind off it. Yeah. That's why it's always good to risk what you can afford to lose. You understand? Please let's tap and share. So tomorrow Sunday, by the grace of God, I will be coming live in the afternoon as well. I'll come live in the afternoon. Okay, do well to follow me. And those people on the YouTube, thank you guys. I really appreciate. And these you guys really tried. Come on. So our first live stream, 3 hours plus. Wow, that's very good. 3 hours plus. 3 hours. We tried now. So we see how this trade goes. We see how it goes. Maybe it's going to hit our SL or it's going to go our way. TP for 200. The TP for 200 is here. And at the same time, it has been posted on the free Telegram group as well. So that is the TP. So you see how it goes. Okay. a day business since ratio. Yeah, no problem, brother. So that is that. So if you want to join the VIP is $20 to join, monthly subscription, $10 for what is it called? For 2 weeks. All right, $10 for 2 weeks, $20 for monthly. And feel free to join our free Telegram group. The link is right on my bio. Okay, I think we are over 1.1 now, 1.1k. That's what we are at the moment. So I want to appreciate you guys for joining today. Thank you so much. I can't wait to see you guys tomorrow. If there's opportunity later in the day, I'm going to post it. Okay, I'm going to update you guys. This is weekend, so any trade we take for this weekend is actually going to be a very free trade for both the VIP and the free Telegram group. Thank you so much. God bless you. Respect and enjoy the weekend. Cheers.